Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, we will take a look at how to download the Fiverr app on your mobile device. Now don't forget to hit the like and subscribe and hit the notification bell so you're updated whenever we upload a new video. Stick until the very end so you don't miss a single detail. Now depending on the platform that you're using, so if this is either Android or iOS, then you just need to go ahead and go into the respective purchasing app store. So this will be either your Play Store or your App Store right there. Then all you need to do is just go into it. So let's go into Play Store right here and then just go ahead and search for Fiverr. Now the Fiverr freelancing service app should be something like this, where you can go ahead and see that, if this is installed or not. So at the moment, as you can see here, it is currently installed. Let me show you how that would look like if it is not currently uninstalled, or if it's currently uninstalled. This is what this would look like. So this will allow you to go ahead and click on the install button, and then this will allow you to just go ahead and sign into the actual Fiverr app itself. So go ahead and click on the install button, and then you can go ahead and sign in if you haven't made an account or is currently new to this freelancing service. Then you just need to go ahead and sign in and verify your account, and that is pretty much it. Once that the Fiverr app has been installed, you can just go right on ahead and click on open and then log in to your account itself. And there you go. I hope you have found this tutorial useful. See you guys next time.